Today is the history of how Hiroshima turned into alternative word of boneyard. Today is the history of war that remained as the only usage of nuclear weapons in armed conflict. On August 6, 1945 at 8:15 am during World War II, an American B-29 bomber dropped the world's first deployed atomic bomb over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The atomic bomb, codenamed as Little Boy, immediately killed an estimate of 140,000 people, and thousands of people died because of radiation exposure. The force of the atomic bomb almost destroyed the city of Hiroshima. Every year on August 6, Hiroshima Peace Day aims to remember the 140,000 people who died after the atomic bomb was dropped. It also aims to bring about world peace and ban nuclear weapons. The ceremony is attended by many people who lost family members in the bombing. The mayor of Hiroshima reads a special peace declaration
determined never to let the atomic bombing fade from memory.
And his message is saying to every country in the world to tell leaders to abolish nuclear weapons.
The Hiroshima desire for a nuclear weapon-free world.
At exactly 8:15 am, the peace bell rings. People all over the city stand in silence for a minute because this is the time the atomic bomb was dropped. But why did US drop atomic bomb? World War II was the deadliest conflict in human history, marked by 70 to 85 million fatalities, and total war directly involved more than 100 million people from more than 30 countries. During World War II, Japan, who was against US, surprisingly attacked American fleet stationed at Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941. This surprise attack forced the Americans to enter into the World War II very next day. But the Japanese government had delivered the declaration of war 30 minutes before the attack. But the Japanese embassy in Washington took too long to decode the 5,000-word document. After few consequences, based on Quebec Agreement, which instructs US and UK would pool their resources to develop nuclear weapons and use on countries against them. With the yes from UK, the United States detonated 2 nuclear weapons over the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki on August 6th and 9th in 1945. Japan's Emperor Hirohito announced his country's unconditional surrender in World War II in a radio address on August 15, 1945, citing the devastating power of a new and most cruel bomb. This is Raghaveshri, We Do You. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.